Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surahmi. What do plants need? Plants need temperatures above freezing while they are actively growing and photosynthesis. They also need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water for photosynthesis. Like most other organisms, plants need oxygen for cellular respiration and minerals to build proteins and other organic molecules. Most plants support themselves above the ground with stiff stems in order to get light, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Most plants also grow roots down into the soil to absorb water and minerals. The importance of plants. The importance of plants to humans and just about all other life on Earth is staggering. Life as we know it would not be possible without plants. Why are plants so important? Plants supply food to nearly all terrestrial organisms, including humans. We eat either plants or other organisms that eat plants. Plants maintain the atmosphere. They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration for all aerobic organisms. It also maintains the ozone layer that helps protect Earth's life from damaging UV radiation. Removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere reduces the greenhouse effect and global warming. Plants recycle matter in biochemical cycles. For example, through transpiration, plants move enormous amounts of water from the soil to the atmosphere. Plants such as pests house bacteria that fix nitrogen. This makes nitrogen available to all plants, which pass it on to consumers. Plants provide many products for human use, such as firewood, timber, fibers, medicines, dyes, pesticides, oils, and rubber. Plants create habitats for many organisms. A single tree may provide food and shelter to many species of insects, worms, small mammals, birds, and reptiles. See figure below. Life cycle of plants. All plants have a characteristic life cycle that includes alternations of generations. Plants alternate between haploid and diploid generation. Alternation of generation allows for both asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction with spores products haploid individuals called gametophytes. Sexual reproduction with gametes and fertilization products diploid individuals called sporophytes. A typical plant's life cycle is diagrammed in figure below. Early plants reproduce mainly with spores and spend most of their life cycles as haploid gametophytes. Support requires little energy and matter to produce, and they grow into new individuals without the need for fertilization. In contrast, most modern plants reproduce with gametes using pollen and seeds, and they spend most of their life cycles as diploid sporophytes. Many modern plants can also reproduce asexually using roots, stems, or leaves. This is called vegetative reproduction. One way this can occur is shown in figure below. Seed plants differ. The first seed plants formed seeds in cones. Cones are made up of overlapping scales, which are modified leaves. See figure below. Male cones contain pollen, and female cones contain eggs. Seeds also develop in female cones. Modern seed plants, the productions in cones are called gymnosperm. Later, seed plants called angiosperms evolved. They produce flowers which consist of both male and female reproductive structures. The female reproductive structures in a flower includes an organ called an ovary. Eggs form in ovules inside ovaries, which also enclose and project developing seeds after fertilization occurs. In many species of flowering plants, ovaries develop into fruits which attract animals that disperse the seeds. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.